Let me see if the beer is gonna protect my watermelons from the snails. I'm getting ready to try to protect my watermelon bed over here from the snails by putting beer in some containers out here, and the snails, they say, are gonna go into the beer and drown. It's gonna kill them. Say the yeast from the beer attracts them. So I'm gonna dig a hole and put these little plastic containers down in several areas here in the garden bed and pour the beer in there and see how many snails I can get rid of so they won't eat up my watermelons. Oh, I can't let them eat my watermelons. So let me get busy here digging these holes so I can save my watermelons. Okay, I placed 5 plastic containers around here in my garden bed. Then I'm gonna pour the beer in. Then we're gonna come back later and see how many snails I was able to get rid of. Okay. I even heard some people say that after they killed the snails, they end up pouring the beer into the soil and use it as fertilizer. So let me see if this is gonna work. To help me get rid of these snails. Oh. Okay, let me fill up one more here. Come on, snails. Got you some beer. Drink up. Drink up, snails. Drink up.